Ba-dum-ba-bum. Nothing to see here. Do. Nothing to see here. Proof that this video was never meant to even happen is the fact that I'm not even wearing my Kitchen Knife Guy branded t-shirt, but I just had to make a video. Cutlery and More and I were working on a cutting board video, and they were supposed to send me a cutting board that was a lot smaller than what they sent me by accident, and so I just have to show you the unboxing. This is going to be an incredibly short video. But the big boy Parker Asahi board that they sent me is 1000 millimeters long, which is a meter, by 400 millimeters wide, which is as wide as most people's board, and because it's a professional series, 20 millimeters thick. So just enjoy the video. I just had to show you how large the box is, how large the board is. It's ridiculous, and therefore figured even if this is a short video, you might enjoy it. If you guys do like the content that I create for you, please remember to like and subscribe. It really does go a long way. Hit that bell button so you never miss any of the latest videos. And otherwise, enjoy the Parker Asahi Big Boy unboxing from Cutlery More. Except there's everything to see here. Do you see how big this is? It's the whole desk. It's crazy. Well, what do you say we unbox it? It's just backwards. Yeah. Huh. Where's Mikey go? What even is this? Oh my god. Pretty much my elbow. Oh my god. A whole leg and more. .240mm gyro. Oh, whole fish, whole lamb leg, baby shark. That's crazy. That is crazy. See, that's where the mic is when I do the food stuff. You can see it because we've never had a wider lens. It's crazy. Do you understand me? What is this? 240mm gyro going once, going twice, going 2.5 times. Sold. I have no idea what I'm going to do with this. Becca's calling.